Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is video about geometric ratio or geometric function part 3. In the last two parts, you already learned about how can you determine the opposite side, hypotenuse, and adjacent side in the right angle triangle, and we have a practice about how can you determine the opposite side of that angle, which is the side adjacent side of a triangle. And now for this video, we will move to the main idea about SOHCAHTOA. The SOHCAHTOA is tell you about the three trigonometric ratio. It is about opposites divided by hypotenuse, adjacent divided by hypotenuse, and Toán, opposites divided by adjacent. So the main idea for this one is the ratio, the side over side, but you have to determine the precise side of each right angle triangle. And example for this first example, you got the right angle ABC and you have the chosen angle is A. So I want to determine the ratio of sine, cos, and Toán about this angle. So how can I do that? Okay, the first one is sine. I will write down like this: sine the angle A, and I want to determine exactly ratio of this angle. The sine is so is mean R divided by H, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite, so what is the opposite side of this one? So you already learned about how to determine the opposite side of the chosen angle in the right angle triangle. So the opposite side of this triangle is BC, and the adjacent side for this one is AB. So for shortened way for write out this one, you can write out sine A equal to BC divided by BC. Yeah, this is the first trigonometric ratio. The second trigonometric ratio is cosine. The cosine A is A over H, is mean adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent for cos A, or adjacent for angle A is AB. Oh, sorry, hypotenuse is not AB. BC is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC, sorry. So this one is AC side, is not AB. This is AC. Yeah, and adjacent over hypotenuse for cosine A. Cosine A adjacent is AB, and hypotenuse is AC. And the last one, Toán. Toán is mean tangent. Tan of A. Tan A, it is opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite divided by adjacent. So what is the opposite? Opposite side is BC, and adjacent is AB. Yeah, that's it. So this is the first example for determining the trigonometric ratio sine, cos, and tan based on SOHCAHTOA formula. And another one for this example, MOP, the right angle is 0 and the opposite side will be hypotenuse is this one. And the opposite of this one is here, and the adjacent is for this side. So when you want to determine sine of P, the chosen angle for this exercise is P. So sine P is mean opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite is MO and hypotenuse is MP. Then you got the ratio sine P equal to this angle. MO divided by MP. Is that right? MO is opposite, MP is the hypotenuse. Okay, that's all. And about cos P is qua. SOHCAHTOA. So H over H. A adjacent. Adjacent is OP. And hypotenuse, you got MP. Yeah, and the last one is tan of P. So what is tan of P? Opposite divided by adjacent. So look at this map. Hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. R is mean off, is mean MO. A is mean adjacent, is mean OP. So you have 1, 2, and 3 trigonometric ratio. And the first example, so working out a little bit longer than this one, because I'm thinking you already learned and you already master about the determining of opposites, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So working out this exercise is a little bit shortened. Yeah, I hope you can understand more by shortened way. Yeah, okay, thank you. And we will practice a little bit about this setup, the 3 trigonometric ratio. Okay, so exercise, we have some exercise here. Maybe we have each question, and for each question you have chosen angles, and you have to determine the sine, cos, and tan trigonometric ratio for each exercise, for each angle. Okay, so this question you got angle B is chosen angle. So how can you determine the hypotenuse and opposite and adjacent for this one? The opposite to the 90 degree will be hypotenuse. So I will write down here E hip. Opposite is here, and adjacent is the last one. Okay, so I want to determine sine of B is mean opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is AM, and hypotenuse you got BM. Okay, how about the cos? Cos of B is mean adjacent A divided by hypotenuse at adjacent you got AB, and hypotenuse you got BM. And the last one for question for tan B, what is this? Opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite is AB, and adjacent you got AM. Okay, the first question we finished. Question 2, you have the chosen angle here is A. So how can you find sine A? Sine A is opposite with hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the longest side. Opposite will be here. Adjacent will be this side. Opposite MB divided by hypotenuse, you got MA. And how about cos A? The cos A is CAH. So adjacent you got BA. H is mean hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AM. Okay, how about tan? Tan A is mean opposite divided by adjacent. You got MB, and you got A. Adjacent is AB. Yep, okay, so this is the first 2 questions. How about this one? A little bit change the triangle. Yep, so this is the hypotenuse. This one is opposite. And this is adjacent. Okay, first one, the chosen angle is C. Sine C is mean opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is K, hypotenuse is KC. And how about cos? Cos C is mean A divided by H. A is CH, and divided by H. Divided by hypotenuse is CK. Yeah, and last one, tan C, you will have opposites divided by adjacent. Opposite is K, and adjacent is C. Yeah. And for this one, chosen angle is O. You got sine, you got cos, and you got tan. O, and O. Opposite, this is this side. Hypotenuse here, adjacent is here. Sine is mean O divided by H. Opposite is mean M N divided by O N. Adjacent is A over H. A is M O, H E O N. Opposite divided by A. Opposite M N, and divided by adjacent is M O. Is that right? Yeah, I think so. Okay, I hope you can have the same answer with me. Angle B, and this is hypotenuse. Very easy for recognize that it is opposite side, and the last one will be adjacent. And the question side B is mean opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is QO, hypotenuse is QB. About cos B. Cos B will tell you about adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is OB, hypotenuse is QB. And the last one is tan. Tan B, you will have opposite divided by adjacent. QO divided by BO. Is that right? Opposite, yeah, OQ, adjacent is OB. Okay. So you can remember, you can see that for every question or every triangle, I will write down hyp, op, and adj for each side. The same thing for this one, I will write down hip, hypotenuse in this one, opposite in here because the chosen angle is D in this position, and the last one is adjacent. And about side, you will have side of D, opposite divided by hypotenuse. OB divided by BD. Cos, what cos D? It means A over H. What is A? DO. What is H? DB. Yeah, talk about tan. Tan D. Tan D, you will have opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite is OB, adjacent is OD. Okay, that's it. Question 4, right? Or no, it is question 4. And okay, for the last one, for this question, maybe I will do it a little bit quicker. Side of A is mean opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite is MB, right? And hypotenuse is AM. About cos A, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB, hypotenuse is AM. And the last one about tan. Tan A, you will have opposite is MB divided by the adjacent is AB. Yeah, okay. And that's this question for H. Opposite is OB divided by hypotenuse is OH. Cos H. Cos is mean BH divided by OH. About tan. Adjacent. Opposite divided by opposite. Opposite is OB. Adjacent is BH. Yeah. Okay, so the last two questions for practicing determining three trigonometric ratio for this one. Okay, question B. Angle B, you will have side B, opposite divided by hypotenuse OH, OB. About cos, adjacent is HB divided by hypotenuse is OB. About tan, opposite is OH divided by hypotenuse is OB. No, tan is mean adjacent, opposite divided by adjacent HB. Yeah, this is a little bit right. Okay, side G, angle G, opposite MN divided by hypotenuse GN. Cos adjacent GM divided by GN. And last one, tan. Opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite MN divided by adjacent is GM. Yeah, that's it. So For this video, we practice at least 8 questions about determining the three trigonometric ratio or three trigonometric function for right angle, triangle, sine, cos, and tan based on SOHCAHTOA. I hope you can understand this one, and don't forget to replay this video and do it by yourself before you watching my answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. It is a video about the trigonometric ratio part 3, and you have part 4. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.